Okay, this is the second video in the series on differentiation for GCSE. Differentiation 2, there's an accompanying worksheet. If you're on YouTube watching this and you would like the worksheet, just send me an email and I will send it to you. The questions are in this presentation as well. Okay, differentiate 3x to the 4. So this is the next step forward, in that there's a number in front of the x. So dy dx, and we do the same thing. We bring the 4 in front, and it's 4 times 3x, and we subtract 1 from the x to the 4, so x cubed, which gives us 12x cubed. So dy dx is 12x cubed. Differentiate or find dy dx if y is equal to 5x to the minus 1. So I'm going to write it out. I'm being asked to find dy dx. This number is going to go in front of the 5, and we're going to multiply those two together, and we're going to subtract 1 from negative 1, which gives negative 2. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5, negative 5, x to the negative 2. If y is equal to 7x to the negative 3, find dy dx. So y is equal to 7x to the negative 3, so dy dx, so we're differentiating with respect to x. We bring the negative 3 in front, multiply by the 7, and we take away 1 from negative 3, which is negative 4, and that gives us negative 21x to the negative 4. This time we have a fraction in front, but it's just another, it's a scalar, it's just a multiplying factor, so it's exactly the same as before. So we've been asked to find dy dx, so we multiply by 5 in front, and we take away 1, and 5 take away 1 is 4, and that can be simplified as 5 over 3 x over 4, and I suppose we typically leave that as a fraction. So we've got y is equal to negative 3x, negative 5. So there's a relationship between x and y, and we're being asked to find dy dx. And we'll talk about what that actually means in later videos. We're just going through the process at the moment. Okay, so we multiply by negative 5, and we subtract 1 from negative 5, which is negative 6, and negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. So dy dx is 15x to the negative 6. Okay, so these are the questions from the worksheet. What I suggest that you do is you pause the video, have a go yourself, and then restart and watch me go through the questions. Okay, welcome back. Y is equal to 2x cubed, so dy dx is 3 times 2x squared, which simplifies to 6x squared. Again, we put the 5 in front, multiply by the 3, and we subtract 1 from the 5, so that gives us 15x to the 4. We bring the 6 in front here, times 2, and we subtract 1 from 6, that gives us 12x to the 5. Okay, so y is equal to 4x cubed. We bring the 3 in front, times by the 4x, and we subtract 1 from 3 to give x squared, and that gives us 12x squared. Again, you might want to pause the video, have a go at these questions, and then see if you get the same answer as I do. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so here we have 2x to the negative 1, so we bring the negative in front, negative 1 times the 2, and we subtract 1 from negative 1, which is negative 2, and negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, negative 2x to the negative 2. We bring the negative 3 in front, multiply by 4, and we subtract 1 from negative 3, which gives negative 4. So we get negative 12x to the negative 4. We bring the negative 5 in front times 2, and we subtract 1 from negative 5 to get negative 6. So dy dx is equal to negative 10x to the negative 6. We've been asked to find dy dx. We're going to bring the 2 in front, and we're going to subtract 1. That gives us 14x to the 1, and because it's x to the power of 1, we don't need to show the 1, so we'll leave that as 14x. Okay, again, let's pause the video, do the questions. Okay, welcome back. Actually, this is question 8 again. I'll do that because it's actually quite important, I think. 2 times 7, x to the 1 is 14x. Okay, this time we have a fraction in front of the x. Doesn't make any difference, it's just a scale, it's something we're multiplying by, so we just do 4 times a half x, and we subtract 1 from 4, which is 3, so x cubed. A half of 4 is 2, so that's 2x cubed. And finally, we bring the negative 7 in front, multiply by negative 2, and we subtract 1 from negative 7, which is negative 8. Negative 7 times negative 2 is positive 14, x to the negative 8.